Struggling to add an admin to Pipedrive? I'll show you exactly how to invite them with the right permissions in under 2 minutes. Here's the plan. First, we'll open Pipedrive and navigate to User Management. Then I'll walk you through entering their email and configuring access. So let's jump in. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. I'm assuming you're already signed in, but if not, go ahead and get that done. Now, look in the upper right corner of your screen for your profile icon. It's usually a small circle with your initial or maybe a photo. Click that. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Manage Users. That's going to take you directly to the user administration area. The page might take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of data or a slower connection. Just give it a second. Once you're on the Users and Access page, you'll see a list of everyone currently in your workspace. What you're looking for is the button to add a new person. Find the button that says Plus User and click it. That opens up the invitation form. Now, type the team member's email address carefully. This is one of those places where a typo can cause a real headache, so double-check it. Make sure it's the correct email they use for work. Then click Preview. This lets you see everything before you actually send the invitation. Let the preview page load. Again, it may take a moment. Here is where you review the user details. Check that email again. Look at the name that pulled up, if it's already in your contacts. This is your last chance to catch an error before the invite goes out. Now, pay close attention to this next part. This is the really important step. Configure the user's access settings. By default, they might be set to a standard user or a read-only role, but you want them as an admin. So look for the permissions section. You'll see options like admin, standard, read-only, or maybe custom. Select admin. This gives them full access to everything in your Pipedrive account. In my experience, this is where most people get tripped up. They send the invite with the wrong permissions and then have to go back and change it later. So take your time here. Make sure it says admin before you move forward. Once you're happy with the settings, click Update Users. That confirms the invitation and sends it off. The system will process the request, and you'll see a confirmation that the invitation has been sent. The new user will receive an email with a link to set up their own password and log in. And that's it. You can verify they've been added by checking the user list on that same page. You should see them there, listed with their admin badge. So now you know exactly how to bring a new admin into your Pipedrive workspace with the right permissions set from the start. No more guessing, no more having to redo it later, just a clean, fast process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.